In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your Notion page using the / command. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening Notion, navigating to your page, and inserting emojis exactly where you want them, all with a quick keyboard shortcut. First, open Notion in your web browser or desktop app and let your workspace load. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one that contains the page you want to edit. You don't need any special settings or templates for this. The emoji feature is built right into Notion's editor. Next, head to the specific page where you want to place an emoji. Click into the text area so your cursor is active. You can add emojis inside paragraphs, headings, to-do items, callouts, and most other text-based blocks. Emojis are great for adding visual cues, prioritizing items, or making sections easier to scan. Keep in mind, this method inserts an emoji in the content itself. It doesn't change the page icon at the top. If your goal is to add emphasis inside the text, you're in the right place. With your cursor ready, press the / key. That single slash opens Notion's command menu. Immediately start typing the word emoji. You'll see an option labeled emoji appear in the command list. Select it by pressing enter on your keyboard or clicking with your mouse. This opens the emoji picker. From here, choose any emoji you like. You can scroll through categories or quickly search by typing a keyword like star, check, or arrow. On desktop, arrow keys help you move through options and enter confirms your choice. On mobile, just tap. Once you pick one, Notion inserts it right where your cursor is. If it lands in the wrong spot, simply cut and paste it to the correct location. If you change your mind, press backspace or delete to remove it and repeat the process to pick another. If the / menu doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is inside a text block and that you're not in a title field or a database property name. As a quick alternative, you can also use your system's emoji picker. On Mac OS, press Ctrl Command Space. On Windows, press Windows key and the period. Both methods insert emojis in line, just like the Notion command. That's it. Open Notion, go to your page, press /, type emoji, and choose the one you want. With just a couple of keystrokes, you can make your notes clearer, your tasks more scannable, and your pages a lot more fun to read.